Awareness plus action equals change. One of the things that drives me nutso with social media is I see people complaining and moaning and groaning. They get angry, they get sad, they get upset, and they never do a darn thing. Life's not going to change if you don't take action. It doesn't have to be this huge leap, this huge momentous change that you do. Manageable steps equal change. You don't have to do everything at once, but the key is beginning. What actions can you take? You can begin with your mind. What's the world that you'd like to create and choose to live in? If we're all on the same vibration, we can create that world. You can also boycott a store if you don't like their policy. Don't moan and groan about it. Stop shopping there. And then finally, put more kindness out in the world. A smile to a stranger is something that helps raise your vibration as well as the others. What action are you going to take today?